It all starts with people. People who want to innovate and grow. People who set up industries and lead the world. People who deliver despite the challenges. And we are the people who lend a hand to those people. Based out in Ahmedabad, Gujarat, Earthlink Technologies Pvt Limited is a company that fulfills the needs of a wide range of industries with quality industrial pumps, air compressors and pneumatic tools. Having a track record of 25,000 plus successful installations, we take immense pride in being one of the leading distributors of reputed brands like Luby, Chicago Pneumatic and Fuji. To date, we have served 3,000 plus customers with a passionate team of professionals that strives each day to make us the best in the market. Our goal is to help you find a solution that fits your application and will continue to work for years to come. Every associate, from sales to engineering, is committed to delivering the highest degree of technical expertise and delivery that's accurate and on time every time. We serve customers across various industries like pharmaceutical, chemical, ceramics, automobile, paper, textiles, tire, dairy and more. Our client base is some of the largest producers in the country. We look forward to a future where our products are spread across the world. Simplifying solutions for thousands of industries, Earthlink is a synonym of quality and punctuality, and we aim to maintain this repute and only climb the ladder of success while staying at par with our environment. We are Earthlink.